Tired of wading through stacks of paper and struggling with uneditable PDFs for data collection? Let's transform those static documents into interactive, fillable forms with Dochub, making data entry a breeze for everyone. First things first, head over to Dochub.com and let's get your document uploaded. Click on the prominent Upload button and select the PDF you want to make fillable. It's that simple to get started. Once your PDF is loaded into the Dochub editor, you'll see a toolbar filled with options. This is where the magic happens. We're looking for the Fields or Form Fields section. Within the form fields, you have a variety of tools to choose from. For simple text, we'll use the text field. For yes, no answers or selections, try the checkbox. If you need users to pick just one option from a list, the radio button is perfect. And for a predefined list of choices, grab the Dropdown tool. Now, let's place these fields onto your document. Simply click on the type of field you want from the toolbar, and then click and drag on your PDF where you want that field to appear. For a text field, position it where someone needs to type information. After placing a field, it's good practice to label it clearly. Click on the field you just added, and a properties panel will usually pop up in the label section. Type what the user should fill in, like your name or email address. If you're using a dropdown, this is where you'll enter all the possible choices. Just type each option into the designated area in the Properties panel. Separating them as instructed, this ensures clear and consistent responses. Once you've added and configured all your desired fields, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the editor, and click it to finalize your enhanced PDF. And there you have it. Your standard PDF is now a fully interactive, fillable form, ready for easy data collection and completion from anyone. Save time, reduce errors, and streamline your workflows with Dochub.